In this video, I'll demonstrate adding identity provider self-signed certificates to Oracle Private Cloud Appliance. This video is part of a series of videos on federating with identity providers in Oracle Private Cloud Appliance. Other videos in this series include federating with an identity provider, which you should view first, and a video titled Adding Oracle Private Cloud Appliance as a Trusted Relying Party. Please view this video as necessary when setting up a trust for your environment. The Oracle Private Cloud Appliance Certificate Authority, or CA, is a self-signed OpenSSL generated root and intermediate X.509 certificate. This CA certificate is used to issue X.509 server client certificates, enabling you to add outside CA trust information to the Oracle Private Cloud Appliance rack. If you use a self-signed certificate for Active Directory Federation Service, or ADFS, you will need to add outside CA trust information from ADFS to the management nodes on the rack. You can skip this step if your ADFS certificate is signed by a known certificate authority. ADFS certificates that are signed by a known certificate authority should already exist in the Oracle Private Cloud Appliance Certificate Bundle. However, in my demonstration environment, both the identity provider's signing certificate and the certificate chain of the web server that hosts the identity provider's metadata needs to be added to the CA outside bundle on all Oracle Private Cloud Appliance management nodes. To demonstrate this, I first need to download the SAML metadata document. The default location of the SAML metadata document for your ADFS is shown. I'll enter the URL in a browser to download this Federation Metadata XML file, and I'll save it to my downloads folder on my Windows laptop. You'll also need this file when you create the identity provider in Oracle Private Cloud Appliance, but I will demonstrate that in another video. I'm going to open this XML file with Notepad on my Windows laptop. I'll locate the signing certificate within the XML file by searching for signing. Now I'm going to highlight and copy the certificate, which is located between the X509 certificate beginning and ending tags. I'm now showing that I'm logged on to Management Node 1 in the Oracle Private Cloud Appliance. On Management Node 1, I'm going to make the directory /etc/pca3.0/vault/customer_ca and cd into this directory. Next, I'm going to use VI to create a file named idp_cert.pem, although you can name this file anything you want as long as you have a .pem extension. I'm going to paste the signing certificate that I copied from the XML file. I need to insert a line above the certificate and enter the begin certificate notation. I'll also add a comment at the beginning of the file, although this is not necessary. And finally, I need to insert a line below the certificate and enter the end certificate notation and save the file. Now that I've saved the signing certificate into a file, I need to get the identity provider web server's certificate chain and save it to a file. I'll return to the Federation Metadata XML file that I had open using Notepad. I can find the single sign-on base URL within the XML file by searching for the location attribute. I'll copy the URL and paste it into a browser. It appears as if an error occurred, but I can click on the lock icon, then click Connection Secure. Next, I'll click More Information, and with the Security tab selected, I can click View Certificate. I'll scroll down, and under Miscellaneous, I have the option to download the PEM chain. I'll click the link and save the file and call it chain.pem. Now I'll open the file and select all and copy. Returning to my Oracle Private Cloud Appliance Management Node terminal, I ensure that I'm in the /etc/pca3.0/vault/customer_ca directory. I'll use VI to create a file named idp_web_cert.pem, although you can name this file anything you want as long as you have a PEM extension. I'll paste the certificate chain. I'll add a comment at the beginning of the file, although this is not necessary, and I'll save the file. Now on Management Node 1, run the command shown to have the certificates added to the outside bundle. Finally, one optional test that you can do is check the /etc/pca3.0/vaults/certs/ca_outside_bundle.crt file on each management node and confirm that the signing certificate and the certificate chain have been properly appended to that file. I'll view the file on Management Node 1, and I can see that my comments are included, which ensures my files were properly appended. This concludes this demonstration. Thank you for watching. Please check our additional information on Oracle Private Cloud Appliance in the Oracle Private Cloud Appliance documentation or in the Oracle Private Cloud Appliance Learning Library.